Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable Secure Boot on your PC. Let's get started. First, check if Secure Boot is already on. Press Windows plus R to open the run box and type in msinfo32 and hit enter. Look for Secure Boot status. If it's on, you are all set. If it's off, you need to enable it in the BIOS. To enable Secure Boot, restart your PC. During the boot, press the key for BIOS, usually delete or F2 or F10. It depends on your PC. You will see a message on the screen like press key to enter setup. Once you are in BIOS, look for a menu called Boot, Security or Authentication. It varies by manufacturer. Find the option labeled Secure Boot. If it's off, select it and change it to enable. Also make sure the OS type is set to UEFI if required. After enabling Secure Boot, press the key to save and exit. Your PC will restart automatically. Once back in Windows, you can double check by opening msinfo32 again to enter them to see that Secure Boot is now on. Now open Valorant. Your Vanguard will run without issue and you can play the game safely and securely. And that's it. We have successfully enabled Secure Boot for Valorant on your PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.